Spill Response Course for Oil and Chemical Spills. Introduction. This 30-minute, fully accredited online course from Echo3 teaches participants how to safely respond to chemical and oil spills. To respond to a spill properly, staff need to: first, understand the situation, know how to keep themselves and others safe, then effectively contain the spill, and how to safely clean it up. Finally, understand how to report the spill. This course provides the knowledge to achieve this. We cover what a spill kit is for, what's inside the kit, the correct steps to take during a spill, and the right order to follow those steps. So by the end of this course, staff will know how to respond safely to spills and reduce the environmental harm. An Echo3 certificate is available on completion. For company orders, the course includes an optional feature that requests learners to go and find their spill kit, so they'll know exactly where it is when they need it. No matter what kind of spill it is, staff should know the right actions to take, and employers should have training records.